So what about cleaning, in the age of robots? Robots are taking over jobs that had been previously performed by people, for example, in agriculture, manufacturing, stockrooms and shipping,
healthcare, and medicine. Someday soon, robots may even be doing our driving, serving our food. But a major success of the robots has been the introduction of an entire army of millions and millions of robotic vacuum cleaners. Some match or exceed the performance of traditional vacuums. But just like traditional vacuums, they can't provide the kind of deep clean that prevents ground and dirt from prematurely wearing out your carpet. For that kind of real cleaning, once or twice a year, it pays to call a pro.